Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about online shopping versus shopping in the market or maybe offline shopping. I'm going to talk about pros and cons of each, so let's get into it. So there are many pros and cons for each of them, but I won't be able to address all of them. So I would be addressing major ones of them, at least which affected me. So let's get into it. Hey guys, my name is Ishan. Welcome to my channel Nerd Gentleman. Uh, in this video, we are going to talk about online shopping versus shop shopping. So first pro for online shopping is straight up obvious. You don't need to talk to anybody. You don't need to bargain, or you don't need to go to one shop and then other. You just need to go online and just select what you want and just buy. The main con being you cannot talk to the seller, so he won't understand what are your requirement, and he can suggest you some products or say that this is better than that. So the second point is I see people saying it's costlier to buy on Amazon. It is true, but not entirely true. It's true that you get a specific product on Amazon at higher price than if you get it in the shop, but it's not like you need to spend more on internet. You can actually spend less on internet than going to shop. I'll explain. Let's take an example for phone. So if you want a specific phone, you'll find the same phones on Amazon or Amazon, Flipkart, or you can find same on internet and on in shops. But the difference is you have just 2 or 3 choices to make on when you are going in the shop. But when you are going on internet, you have like 50 options. Not all of them are good, but like I'll say 10 of them are good. So you have like 2 choices and 10 choices. Each phone is different, so you can see which one do you like better. Like you might actually like this one even when you are on internet. So at that time, yes, you are paying more on internet, but you get options, way more options on here. So it might be like if you are looking for a phone in like let's say a budget of 10,000. So like if you go on shops, you will get 3 GB RAM, but if you go on internet, you might even get 6 GB RAM. You might get 32 GB over here, you might get 128 GB over here. You might get like non-branded over here, you might get a proper branded over here. Because shops don't keep all the available models in the stock. But on online shops, it's different case. I'm not taking a look at every category. I'm just taking a look at electronics and more or less only electronics. Also, guys, I might be partial to this topic because I personally like to buy stuff online just because of the convenience and options to choose from. But I personally do go to shops quite frequently to buy stuff. Last month I bought a router. At the time, due to lockdown, nobody was delivering, but the offline stores were open, so I just went and bought it. So basically, if you want a specific model of your phone and you are getting that model in the store, just go grab it. But if you are like, I don't know which model do I want, but I have this budget and I want this, then I will suggest you to go to Amazon or Flipkart or whichever site you like and just look for it over there. You might find better deals over there. Not better deals like in terms of pricing. In terms of price is to specs. In this modern generation of electronics, there are only 10% of the electronics which have specific model specific electronics inside them. Most of them share processor with another device, or camera with another device, or display with another device. Anything like nearly everything is shared with something else. So it's like you are just building a PC, just like I want this motherboard, I want this RAM, I want that graphics card, I want this processor, just combine it and you have a phone or a device. It's the same way in most of the cases. Even laptops, phones, smart TVs, or even TVs, monitors, everything, even PCs. At the end of the day, happiness is the most you can get, so get whatever makes you more happy. And guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys. Also guys, please tell me what do you prefer, buying online or buying in the shop, down in the description.